Hello children, today we're gonna read the storybook The Ugly Duckling. This is The Ugly Duckling. Let's see the characters in the story. The eggs, the mother duck, the ugly duckling, and the little ducklings. Once upon a time, there were 7 eggs. 6 ducklings were beautiful. 1 duckling was not. All these ducklings are beautiful, but this one is not. "You are ugly," said Mother Duck. "Go away." The ugly duckling met a cow. "You are ugly," said the cow. "Go away." The ugly duckling met a cat. "You are ugly," said the cat. "Go away." The ugly duckling met a rabbit. "You are ugly," said the rabbit. "Go away." The ugly duckling met a boy. "You are ugly," said the boy. "Go away." The ugly duckling met a girl. "You are ugly," said the girl. "Go away." The ugly duckling was all alone. He was very sad. One day, the ugly duckling saw some beautiful swans. "Look in the water," said the swans. "You are beautiful," said the swans. "Come with us." And he did. The end.